Hey, let's do short data analysis project while using SQL and Power BI. Let's jump in. Query here. So I have imported my data set here. You can see the billionaires data set in my SQL. So I've already created my tables and all the things. After that, I'm like putting my query like this person name. If your manager asks you to find out the person in final word, you can put that select person and final word, and then you can find it. And we have to select distinct country. So if you put that here, you got the distinct country names. And if they ask you to select distinct country from Vilnius, oops, I got one error here. See, you can see the count value is 39 total number. And yeah, this way you can find out. It's really easy. And I've already written all my query here. Okay, now what we need to do, let's put average. Yeah, we got the average number 14821.897. So it's important to find out average, right? While doing data analysis, average of anything, you can do it. Now I'll just done some country France and city. It's not is called Paris. If you can see, there's no Paris here below. Only France country, and other country are there, right? You can see, as you can see. Yep. Now I have to find out this query like France, Italy, and Spain. So I have already read, but oops, below one is, I think we have to remove hash here. Okay, we have to remove hash here from. I'll just now let me implement. Yeah, you can see that these three countries, we are seeing France, Italy, Spain. Yep. Now you can see the count value of per person name is 309, right? And let me remove this, and if I put the same, you can see the same data set here, right? And then we have to find a group by. I'll just add it group by, order by. If DESC means descending order, and if I put ASC, if it came to ascending orders, right? Birth month count per person name. So if you can see that, right? Yeah. Let me save this and let me show you in Power BI this data set. Now we move to the Power BI. Hey, as you can see the interference of the Power BI, I just came to the Power BI, and you can see. So I'm going to import the data set here. So I've already saved my data set, and it takes some time to import the data set in the Power BI. So now I've uploaded my data set here, and I'm going to present in the histogram. You can see. So I'm going to put in the x-axis birth month, and in the y-axis. Now you can see the data set, the visualization part of that data set I have created in the MySQL, and you also could change the graph. That's it from my side. Bye. Happy learning.